to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you this makeup look on my eyes right now. If you follow me on my Instagram, you know that I did film this, but I've just been having a rough week, to say the least, and I broke out crying, and I'm trying to do my eyeshadow and there's tears. Like, it was just a big mess. So I decided to refilm it today. You're gonna get a video today and you're gonna get a video tomorrow, so that way we are still on track and on schedule. So we are using my very dirty All I See Is Magic palette from Colourpop. This is what it looks like, and these two shades are actually backwards. My palette just fell and I put them in backwards. This one is supposed to go here and this one is supposed to go here. This shadow right here is the star of the show. It's a very jewel toned purple, and I really love how this palette has a bunch of jewel toned, like shimmery but satiny type shades, and I really love it. I just wish that there was maybe a darker brown or a black. I had to dip into another palette to get a black shadow. I love how this look turned out, and I hope that you guys do too. If you do recreate this look, just tag me and I will make sure to show you some major love. So let's just jump right into this look. wraps up this look. I hope you guys got something out of it. Let me know what you want to see next in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you did indeed like it, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press that bell button, that way you get notified, because you know social media is being a little funny nowadays. I'll be posting videos every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday in case you missed that little announcement. So again, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye. Why is this my life right now? I was gonna say something and I forgot. I hope. So let's just... What is... I feel like the same truck just passed the opposite way just now.